Functions Part 6.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So here, find the domain of the given functions. So first one, square root of x minus step x. So here, it is in the form of root f of x. So you know that what are the root f of x conditions? F of x is greater than or equals to 0. Now here x minus step x is what? Greater than or equals to 0. So this is x is greater than or is equals to step x. Now here you want to find the interval of x. So how to find the interval? So substituting the values of x and find the x values. So here for example x is equal to 0, 1, 2 and so on. Here minus 1 and so on. Now substitute the integer values in given condition. See here at x is equal to minus 1, step of minus 1 is what? Minus 1 only. So means if x is integer, then step x is what? X. So clearly step of minus 1 is what? Minus 1. And step of 0 is what? 0. And step of 1 also 1. So clearly for every integer values, this condition is satisfied. And check for rational and irrational numbers. For example, x is not belongs to z. So for example, take x is equals to 1.5. Substitute here 1.5. Here step of 1.5. So here symbol is greater than or equals to. So 1.5 it is greater than or equal to, step of 1.5 is what? 1. So clearly it is satisfied. For example, x is equal to minus 2.5. Now substitute here minus 2.5 is greater than or equal to step of minus 2.5. So this is minus 2.5, it is greater than or equals to minus 3. So this is also satisfied. So clearly for every real value of x, this condition is satisfied. So therefore domain is R. Okay. So next one, log x square minus 4x plus 3. So here it is in the form of log f of x. What is f of x values? Greater than 0. This is the condition for log f of x. So here f of x is what? X square minus 4x plus 3. So x square minus 4x plus 3 is greater than 0. Now find the factors of this. So what are the factors? X minus 1 into x minus 3. It is what? Greater than 0. Now clear it in the form of x minus alpha into x minus beta is greater than 0. So since x minus alpha into x minus beta is greater than 0, with alpha is less than beta. So in that case, x belongs to minus infinity comma alpha union beta comma infinity. So these are the x intervals. Now clearly alpha is 1 and beta is 3. Therefore domain is what? X belongs to minus infinity comma 1 union 3 comma infinity. So this is the domain of a given function. Third one, find the domain of this function. See here clearly it is in the form of 1 by root f of x. 1 by root f of x conditions. F of x is greater than 0 only. So clearly here step x whole square minus step x minus 2 is what? Greater than 0. Now find the factors of this equation. So clearly it is step x square plus step x minus 2 step x minus 2 is greater than 0. So here step x is common. You get step x plus 1 minus 2 is common. You get step x plus 1. It is greater than 0. So this is step x minus of minus 1 into step x minus 2. It is what? Greater than 0. So here it is in the form of x minus alpha into x minus beta is greater than 0. So this is alpha and this is beta. Since here x minus alpha into x minus beta is greater than 0. So in this case x belongs to minus infinity comma alpha union beta comma infinity, or x is less than alpha comma x is greater than beta. So here what is alpha? Minus 1 is alpha and beta is 2. So therefore step x is less than alpha. What is alpha here? Minus 1. And step x greater than beta. Beta value is 2. So greater than 2. Now here you want to find x values. But here step x is there. See here, for example, x is equal to minus 1.5. So what is the value of step x? Step of minus 1.5 is what? Minus 2. So clearly minus 2 is less than minus 1. So satisfied. For example, x is equal to minus 1.1. What is step of minus 1.1? It is less than this. So clearly minus 2. So this is also satisfied. Minus 2 is less than minus 1. For example, if x is equal to minus 1, step of minus 1 is less than minus 1. What is step of minus 1? Minus 1 is less than minus 1. So this is not satisfied. For example, x is equal to 0. 0 is less than 0. That is also not satisfied. So clearly, if x values are less than minus 1, see here minus 1.1, minus 1.5 and so on, that all values are satisfied the given condition. So therefore, x belongs to what? Minus infinity comma minus 1 open. So below less than minus 1 means if x values are less than minus 1, in that case this condition is satisfied. Okay. Now find step x is greater than 2. For example, x is equals to 2.5. So what is step of 2.5? 2 only. Na? This is not satisfied. For example, x is equal to 2.9. Step of 2.9 is what? 2 only. Na? So this is also not satisfied. If x is equal to 3, so clearly step 3 is greater than 2. This is 3 is greater than 2. This is satisfied. So means above 3. So means if x values are greater than 3, then this condition is satisfied. Therefore, here x belongs to what? Closed interval 3 comma infinity. So clearly, what is the domain of given function? So here x is belongs to minus infinity comma minus 1. Here x is belongs to closed interval 3 2 comma infinity. So therefore, domain is x belongs to minus infinity comma minus 1 union closed 3 to infinity. So this is the domain of given function. So simply here this can be written as R minus closed interval minus 1 comma 3 open. So here So clearly here x values are up to -1 only. So -1 is not satisfied. So that's why I write closed -1. Here x values are 3 to infinity. 3 also included. So clearly between -1 and 3 that all values are not satisfied. So then remove that values from the real number. So that is the domain of a given function. So see the next one. Find domain and range of the following functions. So your first one is x by 1 plus x square. So see the solution. So first here you want to find domain. So clearly it is in the form of f of x by g of x. So for this g of x is not equals to 0. So what is g of x here? 1 plus x square is not is equals to 0. So clearly for every value of x it is satisfied because of here 1 plus something is there. So therefore clearly x belongs to R. If x is equals to 0, 1 plus 0 that is not equals to 0. If x is equals to 1, not is equals to 0. If x is equals to 2, not equal to 0. If you take negative values also, in that case this condition is satisfied. So therefore from this you can say that for every value of x, that is x belongs to R, then this condition is satisfied. Therefore domain is what? R. So next find the range of the given function. So you have two conditions for finding the range of given function. So in that first condition is what? Let given function is equals to y. See here y is equal to x by 1 plus x square. And write x value from this. If you can't write, then go to second condition. So here y plus x square y is equal to x. Now this is x square y minus x plus y is equals to 0. Now clearly it in the form of quadratic equation. So what are the x values? Minus b, that is 1, plus or minus b square, that is 1, minus 4ac, 4y into y, 4y square, by 2a, that is 2y. So let given function is equals to y and write x values in terms of y, and after that we have to apply the domain conditions. So what are the domain conditions? So root f of x values are greater than or equals to 0. So therefore 1 minus 4y square is greater than or equals to 0. From this 4y square minus 1 is less than or equals to 0. This is y square minus 1 by 4 is less than or equals to 0. So clearly this can be written as y plus 1 by 2 into y minus 1 by 2 is less than or equals to 0. So this is y minus of minus 1 by 2 and y minus 1 by 2 is less than or equals to 0. So here it is in the form of x minus alpha, x minus beta is less than or equals to 0. So see that condition, x minus alpha into x minus beta is less than or equals to 0 with alpha less than beta. Then x values are what? Closed interval alpha comma beta. But here in place of x, y is there. So therefore y belongs to closed interval minus 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2. And one more condition, denominator is what? Y. So y is not is equals to 0. So y is not is equals to 0. So means remove this 0 from the given interval. That is minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. But here, what is the domain? R only, no? So for example, if x is equals to 0. So what is the given function? So from equation 1, 0 by 1 plus 0 square. What is this value? 0. So clearly this is the input value. This is called what? Domain. And this is what? Output value. This is called what? Range. So clearly 0 also included. So y is not is equals to 0 is wrong. Okay. So 0 also satisfied. So this is the range of a given function. So next is the second one. Second solution. So clearly it is in the form of root f of x. So what are the root f of x conditions? F of x is greater than or equals to 0. So what is f of x here? 9 minus x square. So 9 minus x square is greater than or is equals to 0. This can be written as x square minus 3 square is what? Less than or equals to 0. So it is in the form of x plus 3 into x minus 3. It is less than or equals to 0. So clearly this can be written as x minus of minus 3 and x minus 3 is less than or equals to 0. So this is alpha and this is beta. So it is in the form of x minus alpha into x minus beta is less than or equals to 0 with alpha is less than beta. So in this case x belongs to closed interval alpha comma beta. Therefore domain is what? X belongs to closed interval minus 3 comma 3. So this is the domain of given function. And find range. For finding the range, let given function is equals to y. So let y is equal to square root of 9 minus x square. So this is y square is equal to what? 9 minus x square. Now x square is equal to what? 9 minus y square. X is equal to what? Root 9 minus y square. So let given function is equal to y and write x value in terms of y and apply the domain conditions. See here 9 minus y square values always greater than or is equal to 0. So this is y square minus 9 is less than or equal to 0. So clearly this is y minus of minus 3 into y minus 3 is less than or equal to 0. So here y belongs to what? Closed interval minus 3 comma 3. Okay. But here root values are always positive. So consider positive values only. Therefore y belongs to closed interval 0 comma 3. So this is the range of a given function. So here neglect negative terms because of root values are positive. And for minus 3 and 3 you will get same output. See here at x is equal to minus 3, substitute here, what you get? Y is equal to under root of 9 minus 9, 0. At x is equal to 3 also you will get same output. So that is 9 minus 9 is 0. And at x is equal to minus 2 comma 2. At x is equal to minus 2 whole square is 4. At x is equal to 2 also 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. So for negative and positive of same value, you will get the same output. So that's why you are neglecting the negative terms. Or root values are positive, neglect the negative terms. So that's why your range of given function is closed interval 0 comma 3. Third solution. So clearly it is in the form of f of x by g of x. So for this, g of x is what? Not is equals to 0. So therefore, 2 minus 3x is not is equals to 0. So here 2 is not is equal to 3x. X is not is equals to 2 by 3. So except 2 by 3, remaining all values are satisfied this condition. So therefore, remove this value from the real numbers. Therefore, domain is what? R minus 2 by 3. This is the domain of given function. Now for finding the range, let given function is equal to y. So write let y is equal to x by 2 minus 3x. Now this is 2y minus 3xy is equal to x. From this you can write x value in terms of y. So here 2y is equal to x is common, you get 1 plus 3y. So what is x value? 2y by 1 plus 3y. So clearly you will get x in terms of y. So in that case, denominator is not is equals to 0. So clearly in the form of f of x by g of x. So apply the domain conditions only. So denominator is not is equals to 0. That is 3y is not is equals to minus 1. Y is not is equal to minus 1 by 3. So except this value, remaining all values are satisfied this condition. Therefore, range is r minus 1 by 3. So here find the domain of this function. So it in the form of f of x by g of x. So in this case, g of x is not is equals to 0. So x minus 2 is what? Not is equals to 0. X is what? Not is equals to 2. So therefore, domain is what? X is not equals to 2. So except this value, remaining all values are satisfied this condition. So therefore, remove this 2 from the real numbers. That is r minus 2. This is the domain of given function. Now find range. So this is what? Y is equal to x square minus 4, write as x plus 2 into x minus 2. You get x plus 2. See here, if x is equals to 2, so what is the y value? 2 plus 2 is 4. But according to domain is what? R minus 2 means x is not equals to 2. So clearly x is not is equals to 2. Then y is not equals to 4 because of if you substitute x is equals to 2, y equals to 4. But it is not there in domain. So clearly this is also not possible. So therefore except this value, remaining all values are satisfied. Therefore range is what? R minus 4. This is the range of a given function. Now see the second solution. So let given function is equals to y. Y is equals to what? So root of step x minus x. But here we can't write x value. So go to second condition for range. So what is that condition? Find the domain of given function. So clearly first find domain. Root f of x. So you know that these conditions are greater than or is equals to 0. So what is f of x here? Step x minus x. It is greater than or is equals to 0. So step x is what? Greater than or equal to x. Now using this condition, you want to find the x value. See here, it is equal to also there. So you know that if x is integer, then step x is equal to what? X. So clear equal to is there. Therefore integer values are satisfied. But if x is not a integer, for example, x is equal to 1.5. Substitute 1.5 here. Step of 1.5, it is greater than or equals to 1.5. What is step of 1.5? 1. It is greater than or equals to 1.5. But this is not possible. For example, take a negative rational number. X is equal to minus 1.5. Step of minus 1.5 is greater than minus 1.5. So what is step of minus 1.5? Minus 2. It is greater than or equals to minus 1.5. But this is not greater. So clearly, rational and irrational numbers are not satisfied. Only integer values are satisfied. So therefore, domain is what? Domain is Z. Now, substitute this domain values in given function. You will get the range values. So next, find the range of the function. So substitute the domain values in given function. You will get the range of the function. So your domain values are integers. Substitute, for example, x is equal to 1. So what you get? So y is equals to square root of step 1 minus 1. You get 0. For example, x is equals to 2. 2 minus 2, 0. For example, x is equal to minus 1. So that is step of minus 1 minus of minus 1. You get plus 1. So this is also 0. So clearly, for every x belongs to Z, so what is y value? Outcome is what? 0 only. So clearly, what is the outcome values? Range. So therefore, range is 0. So this is the domain and the range of a given function. So see the third question. Find the range of the function log mod 4 minus x square. So for finding the range of the function, let given function is equals to y. So let y is equal to log of mod 4 minus x square. So your base is what? E. So clearly this can be written as e power y is equal to mod 4 minus x square. So this is e power y is always positive for all y belongs to R. See here e power y value. So your e value is 2.71 something. For example, y is equals to 0. So 2.7 power 0 is what? 1. For example, y is equals to 1. 2.7 whole to the power of 1. That is 2.71. For example, y is equals to 2. So clearly this is positive. And for example, y is equal to minus 1. So what is e power y value? 2.7 whole to the power of minus 1. That is 1 by 2.71. So this is also positive. For example, y is equal to minus 2. You get 1 by 2.7 whole square. This is also positive. So clearly, if you take any value of y, then e power y value is greater than 0. So clearly, what are the y values? Real numbers. So therefore, range is y belongs to R. So this is the range of a given function. So see our next question. Prove that real valued function f of x is an even function. So what is mean by even function? See here, f of minus x is equals to f of x So then f of x is said to be even function. So here you want to prove f of minus x is f of x. So see the solution. F of x is equal to x by e power x minus 1 plus x by 2 plus 1. Now consider f of x minus x. So here replace x by minus x. So what you get? Minus x divided by e power minus x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1. Now again this is what? Minus x by e power minus x, write as 1 by e power x minus 1 minus x by 2 plus 1. So clearly this is equals to minus x e power x goes to numerator, that is e power x by 1 minus e power x minus x by 2 plus 1. Now for this you have to add and subtract x for numerator. See here, x minus x e power x minus x. So add and subtract x on numerator. Divide by 1 minus e power x minus x by 2 plus 1. Now this is, which one is common from first two? X is common. You get 1 minus e power x minus x. So divide by 1 minus e power x minus x by 2 plus 1. Now here separate the terms. So what you get? X into 1 minus e power x by 1 minus e power x. You will get x minus x by this. X by 1 minus e power x. So minus x by 2 plus 1. Now this can be written as minus x by minus is common. You get e power x minus 1. So x minus x by 2, that is x by 2 plus 1. So clearly this is equals to what? X by e power x minus 1 plus x by 2 plus 1. So what is this function? F of x. So therefore f of minus x is equals to what? F of x. Then f of x is called what? Even function. See the next question. F and g are given, then find these values. See here, solution. So clearly domain of f. So what is the domain of f? So all x coordinates are domain values. So there are 4, 5, 6. So 4, 5, 6. And domain of g. So here also x coordinates that are 4, 6, 8. 4, comma 6, comma 8. And domain of f plus g or f minus g or domain of f into g or domain of f by g. In all situations, domain is what? Domain of f intersection domain of g. So what is the domain of f? 4, 5, 6. Intersection of 4, 6, 8. So clearly what are the intersection values? 4 and 6. So this is equals to 4, comma 6. Okay. So this is the domain of sum of two functions or difference of two functions or product of two functions or division of two functions. So in that all situations, domain of f intersection domain of g. So now find f plus g. And here domain values are original values that are not changed. See here 4, 5, 6. These are the domain values. These are original values. So here also 4, 6, 10. These values are not changed. Okay. Now what are the intersection of domain of f and domain of g? 4 and 6. So here took 4 and 6 only. So 4 and 6 only. Now clearly for adding f plus g, so take intersection of both domains that are 4 and 6. So clearly 4 is the original value, right as it is, and add here 5 minus 4. So add codomain values. Because of domain values are original, does not change. And 6 comma. So here also 6. So minus 4 plus 5. Minus 4 plus 5. This is what? 4 comma 1. 6 comma 1. This is f plus g. And second one is what? F minus g. So 4 comma 5 minus of minus 4, that is 5 plus 4. 6 comma subtract codomain elements, that is minus 4 minus 5. So minus 4 minus 5. So clearly this is 4 comma 9, 6 comma minus 9. And find 2f plus 4g. So 2f. So what is 2f? So multiplying this 2 with codomain element only, because of domain values are not changed. So that is 4 comma 2 into 5, 10, 5 comma 12, 6 comma minus 8. This is 2f and 4g. So here also multiply 4 with codomain element only. That is 4 comma minus 16 and 6 comma 20 and 8 comma 20. Now add these two. So 2f plus 4g. So what you get? So take common domain elements. Therefore 4, 6, 6. So you have to neglect these two. Now 4 right as it is. So add this to 10 minus 16 minus 6 and 6 comma add these two minus 8 plus 20. You get 12. So this is 2f plus 4g. And what is the fourth one? F plus 4. So you add this 4 to codomain elements. You get f plus 4. That is 4 comma 5 plus 4, 9. And 5 comma 6 plus 4, that is 5 comma 10. And 6 comma minus 4 plus 4, 0. This is f plus 4. Next question number 5. F into g. So product of two functions. So you have to take common domain elements that are 4 and 6. So here 4 comma. So 5 into minus 4. Minus 20. 6 comma minus 4 into 5. Minus 20. So this is f into g. So next one, mod f. 4 comma modulus of 5 is 5 only, and 5 comma modulus of 6 is 6 only, and 6 comma modulus of minus 4. So this is what? 4 comma 5, 5 comma 6, and 6 comma 4. This is mod f. And next one, root f. So take root of a codomain element, that is 4 comma root 5. So 5 comma root 6 and 6 comma root of minus 4. So but this is not possible. So because of for functions we have to use real numbers only, but this is complex number. So you have to neglect this one. So therefore root f is what? 4 comma root 5 comma 5 comma root 6. So next one, f square. So take square of codomain element, that is 4 comma 5 square, 5 comma 6 square, 6 comma minus 4 whole square. This is what? 4 comma 25, 5 comma 36, 6 comma 60. This is f square. Next one, f cube. So take cube of codomain element, that is 4 comma 5 cube, 5 comma 6 cube, 6 comma minus 4 whole cube. That is what? 4 comma 125, 5 comma 216, 6 comma minus 64. So this is f cube. So for next session we will discuss new chapter.